Hey guys, what is up? It's Melanie. Merry Christmas. We're doing none other than the annual what I got for Christmas video. Honestly, I wasn't planning on doing this year, but this year Christmas fell on a Sunday, which means we're going to church. My mom actually works for church and she wanted to open gifts before she had to go in to like prep for service. So that being said, I've been up since 6:30 to open gifts, which really made me feel like a child again. I figured, why not? I have some hours to kill before church. That being said, I am so grateful for everything that I got. Obviously, Christmas is not about the gifts. Personally, I believe it's about the birth of Jesus, but also spending time with friends and family and just taking this holiday season to be really grateful. And of course, being grateful for all of you guys. So thank you for watching and let's get straight into this. Okay, so this is my stocking and I'm just gonna grab from here. First off, my mom knows I love chocolate, so there's a lot of chocolate in here. She got me Lindor chocolate and it's the caramel. I still don't know how I personally pronounce it. This stuff is amazing. You'll see this recurring, but my mom went to Kauai a couple months ago. That woman was on top of it. She did like all of her Christmas shopping there. I have no clue how she brought it all back, but she's so thoughtful. Like, she got me so much stuff, her friend so much stuff, even while she was like on her own vacation. She got me these really cute scrunchies. I think she did a fabulous job with the color choice. They kind of look like wreaths right now. I don't know. Scrunchies are something that were like a certain era, but I think they're still so practical. Like, I love them. Following up with the chocolate, these amazing. I discovered orange and chocolate like a couple years ago. I think it's delicious. It's delicious in coffee. It's delicious like straight chocolate. Orange chocolate is just super popular in London, so it really brings me back to my abroad days. This one's fun because it like looks like an orange when you open it. She got me this. I have the bigger size one too, so I think my mom's on to me like loving mushrooms. Look, it's a little keychain and bruh, it lights up. This is definitely gonna be like, okay, obviously it's called a keychain, but this is definitely gonna be for like the car keys or the house keys or something important. I think the lighting up is actually so helpful because picture that it's in my bag, I'm in the dark, I don't know where my keys are, and then I can find it because it freaking lights up. She got me some very practical, you can tell I'm in college, gift cards. Trader Joe's. She said I need to buy more fruit because I told her I was like only eating frozen fruit. So she's like, you need to go buy more fruit. And I was like, okay. She got me a Costco gift card, which I think is funny, but I go to Costco for gas any chance I can get. And then she also got me this really cute Target gift card. Look. Pikachu. And a couple more things. She got me this top, which I think is funny because it brings me back. It's kind of a muscle tee in that Brandy Melville era. Like a racer bag. It's from the Kauai Juice Company. It was just this place my mom, when she was in Kauai, that she was like obsessed with, and she'd send me a bunch of photos and be like, yeah, juice. Okay. She also got this from Kauai. It's like the Lihing sour watermelon. Delicious. I probably get them every time I go to Hawaii. She got me Bliss Tex, which is kind of funny, but I've been complaining since I got home because my lips are so chapped. It's like actually terrible. And then she also got me this really cute fuzzy sock. I love. They have little snowflakes on them and I am a sucker for fuzzy socks. I'll wear them year round, honestly. She was like, are you gonna be able to wear these in California? I was like, yes, Mom. I will. Okay, the next two things that also came like in my stocking area, just the way my family grew up doing Christmas is like we went to one room where we did the fireplace like stockings. There's all the stocking stuffers and stuff, and then we'd move over to the tree in the other room and that'd be the like big gifts. No, I always think it's interesting to hear how other families do it because it's always so, you know, different. She got me a bunch of slippers and I'm already like, she knows I'm a slipper girl. She's saying like I should use them for different rooms in the house and stuff. She's like, these can be your shower slippers. These ones are like those light foamy ones. So this one has dumplings and boba on it. Double the fun. And then these ones are gonna be my new house slippers. They're actually so adorable. I really love them. They're like bobas, but they're fuzzy. They're really like cushy too, like thicker. Look, they have like little flowers too. Yeah, I really like them. They even have the straws. Like, they just don't miss on anything. I'm actually gonna show you a couple things from Alex and his family where I show my like bigger gifts for my mom / Santa. Alex's little sister Abby actually got me a gift, which was so thoughtful. Really good gift giver. I was like, wow. She got me this tote bag that I think I might actually use for school, or if I don't, I'll use it for the gym or something. But look how cool this is. It's like a Nike bag, but then it has like, it's in like flames. Like, I didn't even know Nike does this. And it also has these, which I feel like I could attach some cool, you know, like maybe not this one, but I could attach stuff to it, like my keys or something. And then this side too, like this is probably just the tag, but for some reason I think it looks really cool. It just says Nike. And then she also got me this really cute sweatshirt that I think is gonna be my new gym cover up, but I could also definitely just wear it because it's cute. This isn't it. This is literally my clothes. Crop Nike quarter zip. Like, it's so cute. And I love it. It's nice and simple, but I definitely think like that makes it better because it can be my cover up for like every single gym outfit. I think it'd look really good with a puffer too. Thank you, Abby, so much if you happen to be watching this, from Alex's family. She got me some pajamas. This also came with pants, but they're in the wash right now. This is just the top. I wore these for like a whole week straight. I'm like pajamas girl at home. And then she got me this, which I think is really funny. You guys might have seen it like in the background of some of my videos. I don't know, my Instagram stories or something. You might think I'm actually like crazy if you just see this with no explanation, but I prefaced it as I was opening it and she was like, yeah, like I know long distance can be like hard and stuff, and you can like hug this when you miss him and stuff. She got me a pillow with Alex's face on it. It's like not even just a normal pillow. It's like him making this weird face. Story behind this. We were thrifting with our friend. He found some, like, I don't know. He found some shirt from like a video game. I don't even want to say, I don't know what video game it is. It was huge. It was like a triple XL. And he was like, take a picture of me in it. And so he tried it on in the middle of the store and he had me taking like portraits of him. His family turned it into a sticker. But now I have this gem. I thought that was so funny and creative. I love that. This is from Alex. I think I mentioned this in a video also. We opened each other's gifts like before Christmas. He made me an apron. He actually made us like matching one. It has, if you know what note it is, where you like draw little things and send it to each other. We did it a lot while we were long distance, or like whenever we're long distance, and he took one of the designs I drew of us cooking and then he put it on an apron because we like to cook together. So I've been wearing it while I'm home and like baking and stuff, but I'm definitely bringing this back to school with me so that we can wear our matching aprons when we cook. The sweetest part of this is that, I don't know how much you can tell, but he learned how to use a Cricut for me. I thought that was so sweet because usually I'm the craftsy one, but all of his like gifts have been so artistic and creative, and I don't even know how he figures these things out. He found out our school has like a communal like Cricut that you can rent or like use, and so he went and he learned how to use it so he could make us matching aprons, and I thought it was just so sweet. So I really love this. Thank you, Alex, and when you watch his new videos. And then finishing this video off, I have a couple more things from my mother. She got me this book, which, oh my gosh, I only like peeked through it so far, but it's actually so creative and cool. I don't know how someone has possibly made so many charcuterie boards, but there's all these fun ones. Like, look at this. For Christmas, like if I had this a day sooner, I would be making these boards for my Christmas party. Or like, let me show you this one. Like, look how cute that is. And even if you don't make stuff, I feel like this is such a fun, what's it called, coffee table book for you to like look through. I really love this, but my mom knows that I went through a huge charcuterie board phase. This one was really funny because I opened it and then apparently like I didn't remember putting it on my Christmas list because I was like so surprised, and I was like, oh my gosh, I love it so much. How'd you know? It's so cute. I think it was just from Etsy, but it's by this brand called Sammy Jewels. Basically, I just wanted new gold like dainty bracelets because the one I used to always wear broke a little while ago, and so I've been without my gold dainty bracelets, which has been sad. So she got me this pair, and the cutest part of this is that, let me show you, they have these little hearts on the ends. They also fit like pretty well, which is like sometimes hard to find for me, so I'm really glad. They're like adjustable, and they're just two different dainty styles. So this one has little like rectangles, I guess, and then this one's like twisted, but I love them. I love dainty gold jewelry. Like now I have the necklaces, the rings, the bracelets, like I'm set. Okay, this one was actually like the #1 thing on my list, or like I was so excited for this. I was so tempted to just purchase it for myself, but then I was like, frick, I put it on my list. And my mom admitted when I opened it, she was like, yeah, I really didn't want to get you that one because she doesn't like getting me big things she thinks I'm not going to use, but I promise I'm going to use this. I'm going to make so many sweaters. I've been seeing this everywhere. Okay, not everywhere. I've been seeing it on TikTok because I like watched the video like 4 times. But it is a knitting machine. Oh my gosh. You can make scarves, hats, sweaters, like anything, like literally anything. And it's so quick. When I tell you, I have been hand knitting this scarf for like 5 days. And like, yeah, it's long, but it's not long enough. But with this machine, I will be able to make myself sweaters on top of sweaters in a matter of hours. And that's, hours sounds too long. I'm so grateful that my mom got it for me, even though she didn't want it, because I did admit like there's no way I'll be able to pack this back up and bring it to school with me as much as I want to. But realistically, I don't have time to knit at school. So the plan is to go crazy, make as many sweaters as I can so that I can bring it to school. I don't know. I know I'm gonna miss it. Maybe I'll ship it to myself. I don't know what to do, but I'm so excited to try it out. Once I get my hands on some good yarn, which will be tomorrow, it'll be over. I'll be having sweaters. I want to make a sweater actually just like this, but like tighter probably. And then the last thing, oh my god, gosh, guys. I put this on my wish list like a while ago in hopes that it would get back in stock because it's been out of stock for so long, which I don't blame everyone because they're adorable. My mom made it happen. She's actually the sweetest ever. She discovered StockX for me. She's so funny. She's like, you know what StockX is? And I was like, yeah. And this, very funnily, this is a funny story, but this is a gift that my dad actually spoiled. This is part of the reason I'm like, dads even know what's going on for Christmas, because it could very much just be my dad. But my dad literally yesterday was like, Melanie, did you buy Uggs? And I was like, no. But then I was like, no. And he was like, stop shopping. But it's funny, but thank you so much. I didn't even show you what they are. None other than the most beautiful shoes ever, guys, and their platform. Oh my gosh. And I love these because I was kind of torn between getting mini boots and these. I think these are better for like being here / California. I love that they're platform because like all my shoes have converted to platforms now, and also just the length my mom went to get these for me like actually warms my heart so much. She's so thoughtful. But yeah, look at this. Yeah, I love these. I'm gonna wear them with my fit today and I'm so excited for it. I love the Christmas fit. But yeah, guys, that is everything I got for Christmas. Once again, I just want to say that I'm not trying to brag at all, and I'm so grateful for everything that's been gifted to me. As fun as it is to share these gifts and talk to you guys, I am excited to celebrate the true meaning of Christmas and celebrate with my family and friends. So I hope you guys are having a lovely holiday break and have a great Christmas, whatever your plans are for the rest of the day. But either way, thank you guys for taking the time to spend a little bit of Christmas with me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have such an amazing rest of your day and rest of break. So I love you guys so much, and thank you for being here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.